The factory spoiler on your Focus ST adds a nice look to the rear end, but there is one problem. It's the same as every other ST on the road. This Velossa wing lift kit raises your ST's rear wing just enough to create a standout, aggressive look that demands more attention than a stock counterpart.
Coming around to the back of the car here, there's a couple different things we did to spice up the looks and really make it feel like a true ST Sport Package vehicle. You'll notice that the wing actually sits a little bit higher than the factory wing would, and this is still the factory wing for this car that all the STs have, but it's got Velossa wing spacer kit underneath. And these little 3D printed spacers can come in a couple different colors, just like the big mouth kit or the brake system. You can option it out however you want to match your car or whatever theme you want, and they simply just bolt on where the factory mounts would fit. So you just remove your factory spoiler, put the spacers in, pop it back on, and you're good to go. And it gets it propped up, has a little bit more of a rally car look. And I think that's a good fit with the rally armor flaps, which you can also see back here, just to make it a little more sporty. And it definitely changes the vibe from what you see on your regular run-of-the-mill Focus.
Starting off the install with these 3D printed spacers, we need to remove and unplug the third brake light. The two screws will come out to allow the brake light to be removed and the connectors unplugged. Now open up your back hatch to enable you to pop off the middle panel around the glass and reveal the wing screws. These 3 screws can be removed, followed by the 2 more screws on each outer edge of the hatch corners. The wing is now ready to come off the hatch door with a swift but careful pull outward. Once the wing is off, remove all of the white clips from their locations on the underside of the wing. The brackets will install next and are numbered for your convenience. You can follow the numbering diagram on Velossa included instructions and loosely tighten the brackets to the wing so that you can position them later. We can now clip in the hole plugs to the car. The hole plugs come with either a circle printed into them or an oval. The oval plugs go in the oval holes, and the circle plugs go in the round holes. Also included is a nifty antenna reorientation sleeve to slide over the base of the antenna so that the hatch does not hit it when opened. Set the wing back onto the hatch and align the lift spacers with their corresponding holes. Then tighten the brackets to the hatch of the car. Once tightened to the car, finish tightening the brackets to the wing. You can now replace the interior cover as well as the third brake light with its connector and fluid line. If you want to grab a set of these wing spacers for your own Focus ST, as well as check out all of the color options Velossa has available, head over to stage3motorsports.com. And you can also follow us on all of our social media pages to have awesome daily content right at your fingertips.